So I thought I'd just start off on the left side here. So I just have this wall shelf that literally like everybody has. It's from IKEA. It's called the IKEA Lack wall shelf, I believe. And then at the top I just keep all my old iPhone boxes. And then under here I have just like some little decorative items. I just have this really cute Sailor Moon figurine, and then I have a snow globe from New York when I went last year. And then over here I have this really gorgeous picture frame from Marshall's. There's no pictures in it. And then I have this Chanel little gift note thing that I have. In the back here I actually have this makeup bag. It's signed by Hilary Duff. It was in her collaboration with Nude Sticks, and I loved Hilary Duff growing up. And so this was like really special to me, so I just kind of leave it there. It says Daydreamer on it because her Nude Sticks collection was called the Daydreamer collection. And yeah, so I thought it was just super cool to leave up there. Okay, so down here I just have some heels and my purse. These heels are so gorgeous. I'm literally obsessed with them. These are actually supposed to be my 21st birthday shoes, but because of COVID I wasn't able to celebrate my 21st birthday. These shoes are from Call It Spring. I think Call It Spring is a Canadian brand, if I'm not mistaken. But these are a dupe for the Jeffrey Campbell shoes, and they're just so pretty. So over here is my purse. It's just a little cute shoulder bag. I don't know where it's from. I got this off the Bay like a long time ago, like a year ago, so I'm not really sure what the brand is. But yeah, it's just this super cute crocodile shoulder bag, which is like super in because of like the 90s, and I love it. And then down here I just have my bigger purse. This one is from Coach. I love the color blocking detail, like the burgundy and the black, and then there's also suede on the side here. And this purse is actually in collaboration with Selena Gomez from like 2014, I think, and I thought it was just super cool that I have this because Selena Gomez has been such a huge inspiration in my life. And so it just has like this little dog tag that says Coach X Selena Gomez, and just has her signature right here. And I absolutely love this bag, and I'm so glad that I was able to get it. And my favorite part about this bag are the little details. So on the inside it just says, this is a Coach bag. It is designed in collaboration with Selena Gomez and made from the finest materials. And then it has a little quote from Selena. It says, "To be you is to be strong," and I just absolutely love that. And then on the bottom of the bag it says, "Love yourself first," which I absolutely love. I love the little details of this. I think it's so important, and she's been such a big part of my journey in loving myself and like actually putting myself first. And I know that's been like a big journey for her as well, so I really look up to her for that. And then I have these little shelves on the wall that I just keep like decorative items on. So over here I have a Chanel bag that came with the lipstick that I got for my birthday. And then I have a little light box that says Makeup by Anita. And then over here I just keep some of my jewelry on here, and these are like my go-to jewelry. And then these are just like little necklace extenders that I bought. And over here I have a Venus A Fleur flower, which are like flowers that live for like a year, and I can actually contest to that. I bought this in February 2020 and it's now January 2021, and it still smells like a rose, and it still smells so beautiful, and it doesn't look like it's dried up or anything, and I absolutely love it. And then in the back I just keep some more jewelry. These are just like in their boxes because I don't want to leave them out in case they like tarnish anything. So yeah, over here I just keep some makeup boxes that I got from like limited edition collabs that I thought were super pretty and I wanted to display them. So in the back here I just have some Kylie lip kits. In the front I have the Kendall and Kylie one. I absolutely love this collection. Over there I have the Kendall and Kylie lip gloss. I think she looks absolutely stunning in this photo, and I got the palette as well. And then I have a little like Rare Beauty dewy lip balm box over there. I just love the color and I thought it would just look pretty here. And then over to the side I have the Stormi and Kylie collab. I love that collab. It was so cute. Over here I just have the Kylie Christmas collection from 2019, I believe. I thought it was just super pretty to display because I loved the red glitter, and the Santa hat I thought was super cute. And then in the front I have mainly like ColourPop collabs. I think ColourPop absolutely kills it with their packaging with their collabs. I have the Sailor Moon and ColourPop collaboration. I absolutely loved Sailor Moon growing up as a kid. I used to watch it all the time, so I had to have this in my collection, and I actually did a video on it, so if you want to check it out I'll leave it in the description box below. And then on the front here, I have some ColourPop and Disney collabs. So I have the Mulan one, and I absolutely love Mulan. I'm Chinese, so seeing like this movie being represented in the media was so important to me, and it made me so happy to see that they did a collaboration, and I absolutely love it. Over here I have another Sailor Moon and ColourPop box. I absolutely love this, so pretty. This is a Luna. And then over here I have a Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collaboration. I absolutely love Kathleen Lights, so I had to support her. I remember when she asked, I think it was on her Instagram stories, which packaging she should pick. It was like between this lilac and like a light purple, and I'm so glad she went with the lilac. And then over here I have the Dose of Colors and Desi x Katie collaboration. My brother actually went to New York and was able to pick me up a couple items from Ulta, which I was so grateful for. Like Desi Perkins and Katie and Kathleen Lights, they're literally like all my favorite YouTubers. I religiously watch them, and I'm so happy that I could support them with these collaborations. And in the front here I just have some MAC collabs. So this one was actually in collaboration with Ariana Grande. I absolutely love Ariana Grande. She's such a big inspiration to me, and I'm so glad and so happy that I was able to pick up this collaboration from her. I'll show you that in a little bit in my collection. And then I have a MAC and Mariah Carey one. I just thought the packaging was super pretty. And then over here I have the Benefit They're Real mascara. This was like in collaboration with Swarovski. I think I pronounced that right. Basically it's just studded with these really beautiful crystals, and this was actually my favorite mascara at the time. I think this came out in 2013 as well, and so I just had to pick this up because this was my favorite mascara, and it just looked super pretty. I actually never opened this. I don't know if I ever will. It just kind of sits here and just looks very pretty. And down here I just keep some extra wallets, and then I have my perfume collection. YSL Black Opium is my favorite scent of all time, so I just have a backup, and I'm trying to go through these little travel sizes that I bought. And then I have the Ari by Ariana Grande perfume. This is my everyday perfume. I absolutely love it. It smells so good, and I have gone through like a lot of it. This is like my second bottle, I think. And then I have the Marc Jacobs Daisy. I also love this one. And then I have some like little perfume samples. Like these came in gift with purchases at Sephora, and then they just like look super pretty, so I thought I would just leave them here. So I have the Marc Jacobs Daisy Love, and then I have Gucci Guilty. This is a very sexy scent. I love it. And then I have Dior, Miss Dior. And then I also have the Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb. And then I just keep my sunglasses and my regular glasses. I actually wear prescription glasses. In this little tray that I got from Sephora, I just keep like some rings. So now for this part, I just got this mirror. It's a full length mirror, and it actually like lights up. I absolutely love it. I got this for Christmas, and I'm obsessed with it. I love this mirror. It's from Costco. And I just thought it looked so pretty here.